It has never been easier to go viral on LinkedIn than right now. So in this video, I'm going to show you the only LinkedIn post you will need to consistently go viral again and again. So I call this the ATM post, and this single post type has helped me generate over 3 million impressions, thousands of free quality leads, and generated over $2 million in high ticket sales, both for myself and for my clients. So why is this ATM post so effective? Well, instead of just cold DMing strangers on the internet, it flips the script and it uses a secret LinkedIn loophole that forces your ideal clients to come to you. So if you're tired of sending spammy DMs that gets ignored and you want hundreds of clients literally lining up every time you post, then it's time to start using the ATM post strategy. So let me quickly show you how this will look like once you've implemented this strategy. So as you can see, the moment we deploy these ATM posts, we have spikes in impressions, which are remarkable, but nothing outstanding. But if we then look at the calls booked on those dates, we can literally see a big spike. So one of the ATM posts has been posted around like the 31st of Jan. Well, it had a massive spike in calls booked. I think we booked 5 calls that day. The one on 5 to 6 February had a bigger spike, like 13 calls booked in the course of like 48 hours. And then the ATM post that we did on, I think the 12th of Feb, as you can see, it was a nice spike in terms of impressions, but it indeed immediately correlated with a spike in call bookings as well. As you can see here, 6 calls booked that day, and there was definitely some overlap in the next few days. So that's how effective the ATM post can be straight from the get-go. Well, at this point, we have created and tested hundreds of posts to develop this strategy. And if you stay till the end of this video, I'm going to show you my top 3 posts that collectively brought in 1,760 leads and multiple 5 figures in high ticket sales. So you can copy these, paste them, and profit today. Let's dive in, guys. So step number 1 in the process of creating our own ATM post is you want to create an ATM asset. So an ATM asset, it's a different word for like a lead magnet, like a resource, like an asset, like something that people on the internet give away in order to get a lead, right? So the first step you want to do is you want to choose the right lead magnet type. So on average, there are 5 different types you can choose from: as a playbook, a swipe file, a checklist, templates, or a mini course. So in the example here, I break down a playbook. So this is a 105 pages document that we've created. And it's basically a playbook that helps people to book more calls on LinkedIn, close more deals on LinkedIn, and in the end, of course, make more money through the platform. So this is a great starting point, right? And if you don't have that available yet, if you don't have an asset in your business that you can basically give away to the audience to get leads, something you can do is to document your biggest win. So what is a big win in your service, in your process, that you can systematically like build a solution for, or build a resource for, and give that away? Because it's like fishing, right? It's like the bait you put out to attract high quality leads. And in order for us to create our ATM post, we need this asset to be crystal clear. So like I said, we have different types, like a swipe file, checklist, templates, playbook, or a mini course. And those are the types that you can think of. And then the last but not least, it's very important that you want to build it out with AI, because we're living in an era where ChatGPT, AI, and whatnot is of course there to support us. So for context, I didn't write this document from scratch. So what I did is I extracted and analyzed all of my best performing carousels, which are like the PDF pitch decks that you see on LinkedIn. I extracted all the text with ChatGPT, put it into a document, made sure I added relevant and important visuals, make sure there was congruency, make sure that errors were refined. And by just doing so in a few hours, I had this massive document. So at this point, you might be thinking, okay, I have a few assets in my business. I have a few resources that I either send out to prospects or something that I sent that my clients use. What is something that you can package? What is something that you can put together as an asset? Because that's very important. So like I said, choose the right lead magnet type, or document your biggest win, build it out with AI or ChatGPT. And that's step number 1 in creating your ATM asset. And then we go on to step number 2. And in step number 2, we're going to go deeper into creating the actual LinkedIn post. So this is the ATM post that goes on your profile. So the first thing that, and this is super, super important, you want to nail the double hook. So with the double hook, what I mean is that you have a written hook on LinkedIn and you have a visual hook, and they work together. They need to be congruent. So with the written hook, as you can see, I call out a problem. 99% of LinkedIn chases engagement and ends up broke. That's a problem I see happening with my prospects, with my leads. And at the same time, I'm hinting at a solution. Here's the $1.55 million strategy that actually works. And then the visual hook is like the playbook, where I highlight, okay, the playbook is coming, and I have a little bit of like introduction. So these things work together. And if people scan, they can see, okay, 103 pages. Oh, it must look, it looks dense, right? It looks like a lot of work. It looks like interesting. This is something that it catches my attention. So let me read more. So with this ATM post, you want to make sure that you have a written hook and a visual hook and that they work together and complement one another. So then the second step, you want to make it look juicy here. So if I go to the full post, this is the full post that went on my LinkedIn profile. I'm sharing just the details. I'm like, hey, today I'm giving you my detailed system, templates, and the exact steps to book more calls and sign clients via LinkedIn for free. So I'm just hyping it up, right? I'm like, hey, there is a lot in this document. Then I'm breaking it down, like inside you find this thing, exact steps, 5 steps, viral hooks, follow-up sequences, how to do this, unique strategy. So again, I'm like expanding on what's in the document, and people are like, okay, interesting. And then here I'm like, okay, it's 103 pages of examples, templates. It's a playbook I wish I had when I started. So I'm just building up more hype. And then here I'm like, hey, it's yours at no cost. I'm like, hey guys, this is free. The only thing you need to do is just leave a like and a comment, and I'll DM it to you. And as you can see, here's the playbook. And as you can see, LinkedIn loved it. Like 538 likes, 1,256 comments, which are people commenting this, which are all considered engaged leads. Note, like half of these comments are my own, because in order to drive more engagement, everyone that replies playbook to the post, I reply back that I will DM them later, because that keeps the post active. So roughly this post got like 628 comments, kind of around that. But, oh, sorry, 628 comments does engage leads, because these are literally people raising their hands like, hey, I want this playbook and I'm interested to hear what you have to say. So this is the post itself. So you can basically copy my framework in order to create your own post, because this is a proven framework that we've tested over and over again. And then the last part of your ATM post is you want to use a very simple call to action. You might have seen it in the previous example, but don't overcomplicate it. Make it very clear. I'm like, hey guys, just leave a like, thumbs up, and comment playbook, and I will DM it to you. Like, it's super, super clear for people. Like, hey, if you want this playbook, just leave a like, comment, and I will DM it to you. So the beauty here is that I made it look juicy, right? I presented all this value, like, hey, systems, templates, exact steps, viral hooks, follow-up sequences, unique strategies, everything. But the only thing I need to do from you, or the only thing that you need to do in order to get this, is comment playbook. So there's this huge like discrepancy, right? There's a lot of value on one end, and there's like a one tiny action that I'm asking you for you. So that of course helped with boosting this post, because the more people comment, the more, and this is like the viral loophole that I mentioned before, is like the more people that comment on this post, the more this post get pushed to different audiences, because LinkedIn works in such a way that if I comment on someone else's post, my network sees that I post on this person's post. So in this specific case with this ATM post, like everyone that commented on this ATM post, their networks also saw that ATM post. If this playbook was something that they wanted, they started to chime in. So this post reached so many second and third connections on LinkedIn, which are new people coming into my world, new people coming into my ecosystem. So yes, I'm generating like 600 plus warm leads with this post, but at the same time, I'm growing my audience with so many new and qualified people. So this ATM post is just an epic strategy to to get so many leads. And this is just one example. So then when I go to the step number 3, it's of course the conversion process, because getting the leads is great, right? But we want to make sure that there is way more to that. So in order for us to convert the leads that we're getting, we have a very simple process. So like I said, we have the people that are commenting, like the 1256 comments. So let me take one of the comments. As you can see here, this lady, she commented playbook. Like I said, we always reply back to them because it drives up the engagement. Please check your inbox soon. Then we reach out to her. Here's your playbook resource, the link. So we use an email opt-in to capture the lead, but at the same time, we start a qualification. We ask a question to qualify this lead. Like, hey, are you here for the content only, or is getting leads on LinkedIn one of your main goals? Well, I'm looking forward to learn this. I'm actually here to attract clients. So I'm looking to learn more than I can. I'm glad to be connected. So as you can see, this is someone new that's coming into my audience, eager to learn more about how to get leads on LinkedIn, how to get clients on LinkedIn, which is the bread and butter of what we do. Well, we started talking and I started just figuring out, okay, is client acquisition, is that something you need help with? And she's like, yeah, we'll just work through the playbook, but I'm also very curious to hear about what you and your team can do and the investment on your end. So as you can see, there is no messing around. Like, this person like sees the value and immediately has something like, okay, I will go to the playbook myself, but I'm also very interested to hear about how you can help and what type of investment is needed. So we continue chatting and we proposed like a chat. So instead of a sales call, we do a chat where we just chat with the clients through LinkedIn, where we basically like propose them if they're a fit for work together on their LinkedIn lead strategy. So I'm like proposing a chat, and then fast forward, she paid to join and to work with us. So this is how great of a funnel this can be. And like I said, it all started from these comments. So all these comments, all these people in the comment section are people we follow up with, we reach out to, we start a conversation with, and we move those prospects down the pipeline. So this is how great that can be. And like I said at the beginning of this video, I will share you 3 of the best performing ATM posts. It's the one on the left that we just discussed. It is the playbook, the LinkedIn Authority playbook, which is great. Then on the middle side, we have a post swipe file where I just collected viral LinkedIn posts. I turned them into templates, also using ChatGPT. So if you think back of the beginning of this video where I say like, hey, use AI and use ChatGPT to build these assets out. Like, I don't have to go through LinkedIn and do this from scratch. There are tools available to help me out. And as you can see, the audience love this. So again, if I divide this by 2, it's around like 780 comments, thus engage leads, people to follow up with. So as you can see, similar structure. I call out a pain point or a desire. I hint at the solution. I break down what's inside, a very simple call to action. And to add a little bit more urgency in this case, I'm like, hey, it won't stay free for long, so get it now while it's still for free. Comment viral below and I DM you the link to download. So again, very simple, very clear what I ask for the reader. Then on the other side, we have this one is very similar. So the beauty now, as you can see, is like once I've built this asset, like the swipe file, I can literally copy and paste, but then just change the subject. So this is like about like viral LinkedIn post, and this is about viral LinkedIn hooks. So similar, but not the same. So I use the same setup, as you can see, with like the name, the type, the creator, which is basically here, like the post angle, the post format, the creator. So once you have one of these assets ready and it works, you can literally start like replicating them, right? And as you can see, the performance was all right, but definitely not as much as this one. So sure, like 350 plus warm leads from this post, but it definitely shows me that this topic for my audience is currently more exciting. But this one is of course also good to test. So as you can see, it's very similar setup. So when you're starting to create your ATM post, use one of my frameworks. As you can see, I always use the same like kind of setup because we've tested so many captions, and these are the ones that work the best. And yeah, if you need help with creating your own ATM post, I'm happy to help you. Just just book a link or book a call with a link below, and I'm happy to chat with you to see if creating ATM posts is something that can help your business out. Like I said, from all the strategies that we've tested over the last few years, these ATM posts, it's insane how many engaged and warm leads it just literally generates with one single post. So it's amazing to see how that works on LinkedIn. So if you're interested in learning more about that, make sure to book a call with the link below. And with that being said,